Don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel down below. Thank you. Here we go on a ride along today. Today's ride along is on a Audi A3, and it's a front fender. This dent is pretty good. I think it's like 8 inches long that runs along this edge there, and it includes the body line. So it's gonna be pretty tough, but I'm down for it. So let's there's the car, and it's the front fender. So I might stop maybe halfway through and show you guys kind of what I'm experiencing, and let's check it out. Let's get into it. Bye. We're about 50% into it. I just did some glue pulls on that. It happened pretty quick, but the first 50% is easy and fast. The second part of this whole thing is going to be a lot more time consuming and a lot more harder to do. And let's see if I can zoom you in here. See that? Oh yeah, we still got a ways to go. Check in a little bit. Bye. Okay, I'm towards the end of this thing. I still got a ways to go. I'm just doing some cleanup. I'm gonna zoom in here and see, and I'm gonna roll this through, and you can see all the little bumps going through there. That's what I'm trying to clean up and get rid of. Little tiny micro pushes just to get that clean. We'll do an after later. Here is the after for that fender dent. This thing was a lot of work. Had that big old crown that was up here that I had to get rid of. I had to duplicate this body line that was here. Flatten this thing back out. It was a lot of work. Anyway, that's about it. It's getting late. I'm done. I'm gonna go home to my beautiful wife and kids. Take care.